Hey guys, so I've been having a few little issues with my PC with editing. I've basically been running out of RAM, so I've just picked up a load of these Ballistix tactical tracers, 4 sticks, 4 gig. So I'm just going to put this in PC, and I thought I'd video it and show you what they look like at the end. Okay, so I'm just going to take out the two memories that I've got in here at the moment. So that's what I've got coming out, which is Patriot's Signature. I think some cheap thing, to be honest. Okay, so what I've got going in is these Crucial Ballistix tactical tracers. Okay, so that's all the memory fitted now, so we'll power this on and see what we get. So as you can see, it's got some pretty cool flashing LEDs on it. The flashing is based on how much activity there is on the RAM. So, but you can play around with this and have all sorts of funny effects. I've got this encoding a video at the moment, so the CPU is just maxed out. So, but you can do all sorts of things. Change the colours. Change the patterns. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.